Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. Finally, some rainfall for us here across the bluegrass. As we roll through this first week of September, you can anticipate seeing more chances for a few showers and thunderstorms, possibly even a couple of stronger storms in the mix. Multiple fronts and systems are going to move through to give us more of these opportunities. They're also going to bring some whiplash temperatures, a lot of back and forth from a little toastier to a little cooler. By the time we get to the weekend and everything quiets down, things are going to be nice and gorgeous, wonderful and comfortable once again. As we look outside the home view tonight, though, most of our rain chances have since wrapped up here for the evening. Still some stray opportunities. You see some cloud cover off in the distance of each panel, and it's still a wet ground there in Somerset. They're still trying to wrap up some of those rain chances. A broad view shows you that things are trending quieter and down as we head into the rest of tonight, but a closer look does have a couple of isolated showers and storms redeveloping for us here across portions of the bluegrass. You can see that just north of Franklin County near Owenton, and then over back towards Louisville, there is some thunderstorms. But the rest of us quiet in eastern Kentucky. A little lightning, a little thunder, but rain moving through into Breathitt County now. And we'll see that really sort of just kind of dissipate and spread out. So a little bit of light rain for many in that area. And as well as in southern Kentucky, you can see those chances for lighter rain starting to fizzle out and blend through. So we will see a downward trend in rain overnight tonight, but it's finally happened. 0.18 inches observed here in Lexington now, the first measurable rain in 17 days. August 15th, we only had 1/100 of an inch. So if you could really call that measurable, it is what it is. We are making our way back towards some much needed rainfall here. And you can see radar estimates have a lot of spots in 1/2 inch to over 2 inches where heavier pockets and stronger thunderstorms came down. Again, this is rainfall estimated, so not an exact observation, but a trend tool we can use. As we roll through the next 5 days, we're going to try to pick up another 1/2 inch to 1 inch plus of widespread rainfall for everybody as better chances come through for us by the time we likely get into Thursday morning. You can see the rest of that rain there and that whole thing covering most of Kentucky, northern Tennessee. This is the wave that brought it. What we are going to see is a cold front drop in. That wave actually pushes back against the grain a little bit. Spotty chances for tomorrow. We'll be lucky if we see much as we go throughout our Wednesday, but the rest of tonight, those rain chances fade away. We open up tomorrow morning, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy, and there you see isolated in nature some showers and maybe a few storms tries to return to our sky. As we roll into Wednesday night, drying out until that cold front drops in. Early Thursday morning, more scattered activity expected for us, likely waking up to some louder storms early Thursday as that cold front treks east. Then we have a chance for more storm development into southeastern Kentucky later in the day, and that later in the day is when we're going to have our first chance at maybe some isolated severe weather. We have a level 1 out of 5 risk, mainly for wind in the green shaded area. It does not include the bluegrass region, but some spots in southeastern Kentucky on Thursday could see a couple of loud storms. As we go into Friday, we get a break to start, but yet another cold front comes in and actually tries to stall out. Friday night into Saturday, we could get some scattered shower and thunderstorm activity again. So 2 or 3 more chances for us to get some rainfall down on the ground, get the grass a little less brown. As we roll into the weekend, it dries up, cools down, and we carry that into early next week.